Transforming your WordPress passion into profit is more achievable than you think, and I'm about to show you how. Step 1, let's talk about advertising for bloggers. This is often the first income stream. The most popular method is Google AdSense. Once your website is approved, Google automatically displays relevant ads on your site. You earn a small amount each time someone views or clicks on an ad. You can also explore other ad networks like Mediavine or AdThrive once you gain significant traffic, as they often offer higher payouts. Next up, affiliate marketing. This is fantastic for both bloggers and e-commerce stores. You promote other companies' products or services on your website. And when a visitor makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Rakuten. Advertising focus on products you genuinely use and recommend to build trust with your audience. For e-commerce store owners, selling your own products directly is a powerful monetization strategy. Utilize WordPress plugins like WooCommerce to create a seamless online shop. Design your product pages attractively, write compelling descriptions, and ensure a smooth checkout process from physical goods to digital downloads. The possibilities are vast. Step 4, offering services. If you have expertise in a particular area, freelancing or consulting can be a lucrative option. Showcase your skills and testimonials on your WordPress website. You can integrate booking systems or contact forms to make it easy for clients to inquire about your services. Think web design, writing, coaching, or any skill you possess. Finally, consider creating and selling your own digital products or premium content. This could be ebooks, online courses, unique WordPress themes, or custom plugins. This leverages your existing content and expertise to generate a passive income stream. By implementing these diverse strategies, you can effectively turn your WordPress website into a thriving, profitable venture.